Hey everyone, Tesla Tom here. Thanks so much for joining us today. I'm reviewing the Jowua tempered glass screen protector for Tesla Model 3 and Y today. And thank you very much to Jowua for sending me these products to review. And they've kindly sent both a clear and a matte version for me to review today. So there's crystal clear and the matte version. And the packaging in these Jowua products are very good as usual. And the instructions are very clear on the back there. And we'll go through them step by step as we install these products. And this product comes with a 4-year, 100,000 mile warranty, which you can register through Jowua. Okay, so let's have a look at the installation guide. Step 1, clean the screen with the provided alcohol wipe and microfiber cloth. Step 2, remove any dust and fine hairy substances with a sticker. Alright, so let's tackle step 1 and 2 to start with. And included with the pack was the Jowua cleaning kit, and as usual, very nicely packaged by Jowua there. Alright, let's take a look. Alright, so inside we've got instructions, which is basically exactly the same as on the outside of the box. So we can just discard that for the moment. And then this nicely packaged cleaning equipment. Okay, let's take a look. So we've got the wet wipes and dust remover stickers. Yep. And the microfiber towel. It's great. Jowua have thought of everything. And this little spatula thing, presumably for installing the screen itself. Alright, so first step is to wipe the screen with the wet wipes, remove dust, effective sterilization. Open here. Okay, let's tear that. Wet wipe. Okay. That clean. You can smell the cleanliness. So sanitary. Okay, so that's that. So put the wet wipe aside, not too dirty there, it's a good sign. And then microfiber towel, this thing here, just give that a clean. Get any residual streaks and whatnot. Try not to get my fingers on the screen there. Okay, good. And then said to use the dust remover with the sticker. So dust remover, little tab there. Okay, peel that off. All right. I could probably do this all day and try and get every speck off, but I think on the whole I'm pretty happy. Okay, good. Pretty satisfied with that. Okay, so let's put all the cleaning equipment aside for one moment. Alright, let's get the actual product out. So, it says peel off the backside film. Okay, so there is the screen protector there. And comes nicely packaged once again, like all Jowua products. Alright, there we go. Okay, like that. Okay, so there it says peel off the backside film. It says back, so let's peel that off. Okay, there we go, so that's coming off nicely. See that? Top backwards. There we go, and let's stick it on, like so. Okay, so that's nice, that's fitting flush there. Perfect. And now, on the instructions it says, slide and apply pressure to secure the protector in place. Okay, let's do that right now. Ooh, sorry about that. Not quite nails on a chalkboard, but maybe I'll do this with my fist. There we go. Ooh, even so, sorry. Not a nice sound. Squeaky. Okay. see the stickiness of the plastic coming together. So I think I'm pretty happy there. Okay, good. Okay, so from here on it says gently remove the frame from the screen. All right, let's see what happens. So gently. I hope this works. Okay, well, I think we did 2 steps in one, because I think this frame here, this sticky, was supposed to be peeled off in step 7. Carefully peel off the front film from the screen protector. But as I removed the frame, it kind of came off with it, which is fine, it works. Okay, and the grand finale is step 8, use the included squeegee to squeeze out air bubbles. And I can definitely see a couple of air bubbles there. Let's hope this works. Yep, that's good. Just apply a bit of pressure. Yes, and it does squeeze it out actually. It's nice. Like an amoeba, pushing the amoeba away. Last one. Go away, a bubble. We don't like you. There, done. Oh, one more here. Oh, left hand. Boom. See you later. One more little one here. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, one more here. So yeah, you do require a bit more pressure to do this. Oh, one more. One more little one. Little guy here. Yeah, okay. Dust particle there. Yeah, nice. Okie dokie, we're just going to do a little drive test with the screen protector. Again, 3 o'clock or 3:45 in Sydney, setting sun. So, pretty good. Let's try and find a spot with a bit of sun. It's going to shoot some glare onto the screen. Okay, so let's go this way. Okay, it's nice there. Cameras are working well. Okay, let's try driving this way. The sun behind us. That's pretty good. Again, that's quite good. Actually, need more sun, don't we? This way. Okay. Okay, so sun coming from the side. Still pretty good, I can see. Okay, and then one more. Sun behind us again. As we head out of the car park. Yeah, it's pretty good. I still see the map. All good. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. That's the Jowua screen protector for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. We'll have to test the matte finish another time, but I'll leave the link to the screen protector in the video description below for you to check out. Thanks for watching everyone. Until the next Ludicrous Feed video, happy charging.